Hi there. I'm a nature lover, watershed steward, and art student. I'm also a former science teacher and museum educator. As a watershed steward, I've worked on native garden projects, and that's been great. But to really get to know the plants or animals in a garden, I sketch them. And sketching living things in their natural environment is so much more than just a learning experience. It's enjoyable, it's relaxing, and just spending time in nature has been shown to reduce stress and boost immune function. My goal is to engage adults, teens, and families in nature through community-based drawing and nature workshops. These types of workshops are already offered at some museums and parks, but not at local, community-based native gardens. And that's the gap my workshops aim to fill. The workshops will be designed to be enjoyed even by those community members who think they can't draw or who don't usually engage with nature. Are you ready to join me on this pathway? Stopping to look closely at nature? Seeing the plants and animals through sketching? Watch out, because seeing leads to caring, and caring just might inspire action.